Now, in organ donation, we will discuss about what is organ. Organ means any part of human body consisting of a structural arrangement of tissue which, if wholly removed, can't be replaced by the body.
Transplantation means the grafting of any human's organs from any living person or deceased person to some other living person for therapeutic purpose. Transplant or coordinator means a person appointed by the hospital for coordinating all the matters related to transplantation of the human's organ and for assisting the authority for the removals of human's organ or the accordance with the personal section 3.
Procedure of organ donation and transplantation is done in near relatives, second other than near relatives, third foreigners.
Now we discuss about the heart donation. Heart donation is a process of giving healthy heart to someone who need a transplant. Heart transplant are life-saving procedure that can give a people with end-stage heart diseases. Firstly, what is heart? Heart is a muscular organ that pumps blood through the body. Heart transplant is used to help those who suffering from heart failure and babies born with defects. There are two types of donation. First is a living donation and another one is deceased donation. In living donation, the healthy person donate his heart, and in deceased donation, the person who has died and been declared as a brain dead. And eligibility criteria for heart donation. In living donation, donor must be healthy and have compatible blood type with the recipient. And in deceased donation, the donor must be declared brain dead and have a healthy heart. Benefits of the heart donation: it can save someone's life and it improves the quality of life for the recipient.
Now we can discuss about the liver, the organ that secretes bile and is active in the formation of certain blood proteins and in the metabolism of carbohydrates, fats and protein. Liver transplant is used to treat various conditions which causes liver failure such as liver cancer. Liver donation is a life-saving procedure that can help people with the end stage of the liver disease. The donor liver is divided into two parts. Larger part is transplanted into the recipients and the smaller part of the liver will regenerate within a few months. The recovery time for the liver donor is usually 6 to 8 months. During the time, you will need to rest and avoid streams activity. You may also experience some pains and discomfort. Living liver donation is a safe and effective procedure, but there are some risks involved. The risks includes bleeding, infection, blood clots, bile leaks, injury to the bile duct, and the risks of the living donation are very low.
Now we can discuss about the lungs, a pair of sponge organs that remove carbon dioxide from blood and provide the oxygen. Lung transplants are recommended for those with severe lung disease. Sometimes there is a combined heart and lung transplant. Criteria: brain death or circulatory death. The donor must be declared brain dead or have experienced a circulatory death. In brain death cases, the donor is typically on a ventilator to maintain organ function until transplantation can occur. Age criteria: generally donors are between ages of 18 to 60, but some centers may consider older donors if they meet other criteria.
Now we discuss about kidney, a pair of organs that maintain proper water and electrolyte balance, regulate acid-base concentration, filter the blood from metabolic waste which is excreted as urine. Kidney transplant may be recommended for those who have been diagnosed with end stage of kidney disease. Choosing to donate a kidney could transform or even save a life. Kidney donation is usually something that happens after you die, but it is possible to live a normal healthy life with only one kidney. You can also donate while you are alive. People with kidney failure usually on dialysis machine to do jobs their kidneys can no longer do. Dialysis is not a cure for kidney disease, however, and some people may need to be attached to a dialysis machine for many hours a day until a suitable transplant can be found. There is no age limit for kidney donation.
Now we will discuss about pancreas. Pancreas is long, irregularly shaped gland which lies behind the stomach, which helps in digestion of proteins, carbohydrates, fats. Pancreas transplant is indicated for insulin-dependent type 1 diabetes. There are 4 steps involved in pancreas transplantation. First, decide a person qualified for new pancreas and healthy enough for the operation. Second, prepare person for operation. Third, perform the pancreas transplant. Fourth, keep person pancreas healthy after the transplantation. Next one is transplant success rate. The rate of organ function is very high with half-life of about 10 years. In other words, after 10 years, half of the transplanted pancreas is still working, which is, in terms of organ transplantation, is very good.